Happy birthday, Tita Annie. 40 looks good on you. Ay, mali. 50 pala. Thank you for always being one call away for your love and kindness. Enjoy your celebration. Have a blast. We love you.
Happy birthday to you, hey yo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, tita. More birthdays to come. Yung skincare reveal ko sa next year na lang. Happy birthday.
Hi sis! Happy birthday! Pasensya na at wala ako dyan ngayon, but you know naman the reason why. Anyway, my wish for you is that God blesses you with good health and of course endless happiness. For 17 years of friendship, I hope we still have plenty of places to visit, long stories to tell, and hopefully we make more memories. Thank you sis for being my sister by heart and my travel buddy, my prayer warrior, and of course, one of God's greatest blessings in my life. I love you, sis. Enjoy your day. Bye. Happy birthday from Kim.
Hi BFF! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best, endless happiness, good health, and success. Enjoy your day. You deserve everything. I love you! Happy birthday again!
Hey, tama. Happy birthday, Tita Ani. Say, happy birthday, Tita Ani. Happy birthday, best friend. It's your turning 50th birthday today. I'm so sorry. Hindi ako nakauwi ngayon. Honestly, January pa lang nagpaalam na ako kay Joanne na uuwi ako dahil nga birthday mo. Pero unfortunately, Dad passed away, kaya nakauwi na ako. So, I can't afford to go home again. Kaya, hindi ako nakauwi ngayon. Sana i-surprise kita, but unfortunately, akong na-surprise dahil nga sa mga nangyari kay tatay. But, I'm happy that you are celebrating your birthday. Siguro, ang message ko lang sa'yo, kung ano man nasa naman ako ngayon, gano'n man ako kasaya ngayon, it's because of you. Ikaw kasi yung kaibigan na pwede mong sabihin na kahit ano, he will listen without judgment. He will advise you na mapapabuti ka talaga. So, where I am now, na napabuti ang buhay ko, naging masaya ako, it's because of your advice. At walang sawang pakikinig sa mga drama natin noon. Kaya, I'm very blessed that I have you. One day, kasi alam ko, ang dami ko ng utang sa'yo. So, I know one day, I can give it back. Kasi, lagi kang nandyan, everything. Siguro, yung mga experience natin, mga pinagsamahan natin noon, siguro kung uulitin ko yung buhay ko, at magkakaroon ako ng kaibigan na, o pipili ako ng tao na sasabihan ko ng mga problema ko na ang bigat-bigat na parang hindi ko na kayang dalhin, pipiliin pa rin kita na maging kaibigan dahil napakabuti mong kaibigan. I wish you all the best success in life. Keep happy. Piliin lang natin maging masaya. Lahat naman ng choice natin sa buhay ay ipag-pray lang natin, and then we'll be happy. So, I wish you all the best in your birthday. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the good health and happiness. Happy birthday, my best friend. Thank you for everything. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy 50th birthday, Annie!
Bullshit na naman tayo.
Here! 1, 2, happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy 50th birthday, Annie! Smile. Happy birthday, Tita Annie. Dali na.
See you soon!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.